On this recording, I'm going to prove to you that money really will make you happy. It really will. I'll prove it to you. You know, there's this crazy idea that money will not make you happy. And I think that the people who said that are people that have never had enough of it. I honestly believe that. Now, having said all of that, I'll tell you the whole truth is that for years I dreamed of becoming a millionaire. That was all I fantasized about. I had never had any money to speak of, and I just dreamt of getting rich. And then when the money came to us, my wife and I, we started our business, and the money just came pouring in. I found myself getting very depressed, which was kind of crazy. You know, here my dreams were coming true, and now I was depressed because I thought that the money was going to do something for me that ultimately it didn't do. Now, that was many, many, many years ago. Since then, I've gone through lots of peaks and lots of valleys, and I can tell you, money really will make you happy. Well, here's a great quote. Money won't make you happy, but it will calm your nerves. and Gary Halbert used to say, money solves all the problems that not having money creates. So, look, money in business, cash flow now. Positive cash flow is the lifeblood of every business. We all need it. We need more cash flow, more cash flow, more cash flow. And our businesses depend on it. And it keeps the whole thing moving forward. And happiness is always having something to look forward to. And so having enough money in our businesses makes sure that we can keep getting involved in new projects, keep staying excited about new things, keep reaching, keep growing, keep stretching ourselves, having all the money that we need to continue to move forward in the direction of our dreams. And that's what makes us happy. There's the whole secret to happiness right there. Not the money in and of itself. I mean, that's nice. It's great to be able to never look at price tags. It's great to be able to donate money here and there and give money to all kinds of people that you love and care about, and charities and support all kinds of different things. It's great just having that feeling of luxury, driving nice cars, eating good meals, staying at really nice hotels and flying first class, and all of that is really, really, really nice. But in the end, it's the business. It's the projects that we're involved with. It's always having something to look forward to, always having something to get excited about and stay excited about. That requires constant positive cash flow. Having a good, stable staff of people that are very talented. You're paying them well, but they're also performing well for you, and being part of all of that makes me very happy. And always knowing that I never have to worry about payroll and never have to worry about taking good care of the people that are taking good care of me. So it's business that will make you happy in the end. It's business and all of the things that you do to keep the business moving forward and moving forward in the direction of your dreams, working with people that you enjoy working with, people that you love and you care about, you enjoy seeing. All of that costs money, and all of that takes money. And so keep it all flowing. Money, money, money. Money is a good thing. It's a very positive thing. So, don't buy into the whole money won't buy you happiness thing. Money really will buy you happiness. It'll buy you a successful, thriving business. And in the end, that will spill over into every other area of your life. So, hope you benefited from this. That's why money really will make you happy. And I'm out to help you make the most money. If you're one of my clients, you already know how I do that. I help you make all the money you want, need, and deserve with the same proven methods that have been generating millions of dollars for me and my joint venture partners over the years. So if you're one of my clients, you know exactly what we're doing. If not, and you want to know more, if you want more of this money that's going to make your life so much better, and it really will, having an abundance of positive cash flow is the secret of happiness. Then click on the link below. Find out what we're doing. Thank you for listening to this, and bye for now.